If you are managing a construction site, a quarry, or an industrial facility, and you are looking for a reliable, automated solution to keep your truck clean and compliant, this heavy-duty wheel wash system might be exactly what your operation needs. Did you know every year thousands of construction sites across Southeast Asia face penalty for allowing mud-covered trucks to exit and pollute public roads? Not only is this a violation of environmental regulation, it also damages your brand image, slow down your workflow, and put your entire project at risk. If you are in this industry, chances are you face this problem firsthand. Firstly, not enough workers to clean truck consistently. Secondly, manual washing takes too long and varies in quality. Thirdly, dirty vehicle spot complaints from the public, or worse, environmental fine. And let's not forget, constant pressure from investors, contractors, and authorities to stay compliant, on time, and within budget. But here's what you really want. Firstly, fast, reliable, and uniform cleaning. Secondly, full compliance with local environmental laws. Thirdly, lower labor costs and smoother daily site operation. And finally, a system that works without extra effort or supervision. Introducing Go&Go automatic wheel wash system, a powerful all-in-one cleaning solution engineered specifically for construction zone, mining site, industrial plant, and heavy-duty transport hub. This system is built to perform even under the toughest site conditions. Optical sensor detect when the truck enters, triggering the wash cycle. No button pressing, no waiting. Secondly, 36 high-pressure side nozzle blast away dirt on the wheels and side. Thirdly, 42 underbody jets clean the undercarriage thoroughly, a key area often neglected in manual cleaning. Each wash takes just 2 to 3 minutes, keeping truck moving and your site productive. And it supports vehicles up to 30 to 40 tons, which is perfect for dump truck, tanker truck, concrete mixer truck, and more. And finally, the viewing counter checks how many vehicles are cleaned daily, helping you monitor efficiency. And why have so many construction and logistic companies across Asia already chosen Go&Go? Firstly, deep industrial grade cleaning, either in red soil, clay, or cement-heavy environment. Secondly, fully automatic operation, no need for dedicated workers. Thirdly, save time, every wash is efficient, predictable, and standardized. And fourthly, save money, reduce labor, less water waste, and optimize operation. And nextly, made from anti-corrosion steel, built to last through heat, rain, and dust. And finally, smart tracking to see how your site performs, right down to the number of trucks washing. We understand that many businesses hesitate to automate, worrying about upfront costs or complexity. But think about it. The manual washing takes you 3 to 4 workers per shift. Moreover, the result is inconsistent, and you need to supervise constantly. And finally, the water will be wasted and also your time. With the Go&Go system, which is fully automatic, consistent every time, no supervision needed, and pay for itself in safe labor and faster operation. In construction and industry, small oversight lead to big consequences. Muddy trucks cause accident, fire hurt your bottom line, and inefficient slow your whole operation. With over a decade of expertise in automated cleaning technology, Go&Go isn't just a supplier. We are your strategic partner in site efficiency, compliance, and smart industrial management. We offer live demo available at our facility in Ho Chi Minh City. Secondly, on-site installation and setup by experienced technicians. Thirdly, full training and post-installation support. And finally, financing and site consulting available upon request. If you are ready to reduce risk, boost efficiency, and take your site to the next level, contact Go&Go today to book a free consultation or schedule a demo.